Hello there, welcome back. This is Bernice and you're welcome to Bernice Kitchen. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make this vanilla cake in my air fryer. So if you want to see how I make this cake, please sit down, relax and watch how I make this cake, okay? Yeah, so in my bowl I'm going to be adding my softened butter and sugar. Then I'm going to give this a quick whisk. At most for this, I'm just going to do this for like a minute. All I want to do is just to cream the butter and the sugar together. All right, yeah. So next, after adding this, giving this a good mix, I'm going to go ahead to add in my eggs, and I'll add that one at a time because I want everything to mix in properly. All right, we don't have to rush this stage, okay? Just take it gently and yeah, you get perfect vanilla cake. All right, so next I'll just go ahead and add in my vanilla extract. I'm going to add in my vanilla extract, yeah, and I'll also give that a good mix. And next I'm going to introduce my dried ingredients, which is the flour, baking powder and some salt, and I'm going to sift that into the butter mixture. Yeah, and next thing to do is to mix everything together. We don't want to over mix our batter, right? Yeah, so I'll just mix this with my hand whisk for like 45 seconds to 1 minute at most. All right, yeah, then next I'll just stop whisking and go in with my spatula and mix everything properly. So now is the right time to add in our milk. Okay, yeah, so I'm just going to add in part of the milk, give that a good mix. Then I'll go ahead and add in the remaining milk. And if you have watched up to this point, I say thank you very much for watching and supporting this channel. I love you all, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing. We are still a growing family, so please do support this channel. All right, thank you very much. I do appreciate you all. And for the full list of ingredients used in this video, please do not hesitate to check the description box for the accurate measurements used for this recipe. All right, yeah. So I've gone ahead to prepare my pan. I just rubbed in some butter and sprinkled some flour on it. So now our butter is ready, and I'm just going to transfer that into a baking pan. So this pan is actually for air fryer, but you can use any baking pan. So far it's safe in an oven, you can as well use that for your air fryer. All right, yeah, so I'll just transfer that into my pan, and I'll just release some bubbles out of it. Okay, and next thing is to air fry. Yeah, so next I'm going to transfer the butter into the air fryer, and we're going to bake this for 160 degrees for 25 minutes to 30 minutes. So you just have to check this during that time to see if your cake is well baked, and depending on how long or how much you want to bake your cake. All right, yeah, so you can bake this for 25 minutes, or if you want it to brown more, you can do that for 30 minutes, or you can slow bake for 120 degrees for 50 to 55 minutes. Okay, everything will be left in the description box down below. Okay, both the measurements, list of measurements are used for this cake, and I'll explain much better there. All right, thank you. And our cake is ready. Okay, so I'm just going to allow this to rest for 10 minutes in there. Okay, and I'll take that. I'll see how easy it came out from the pan, and I'm just going to leave that in my rack to allow it to cool. See how good this cake is looking. This cake was so delicious, guys. You don't want to miss this cake. You just have to try it out, okay? So this cake has cooled down, and can you see how the bottom is looking? Just look at the sides. Look at how perfect that cake is looking. You see the top, the crust on top. Oh, I love that. It was kind of crunchy. Will I say crunchy kind of feeling? Yeah. And this cake is so good for tea, like your morning tea or coffee. Just want to relax and chillax and just enjoy yourself and be taken care of. Yeah, this is the cake you want. Okay, when you give this recipe a try, please do not hesitate to let me know. Okay, drop your comment, and if you enjoyed watching this video, also let me know in the comment section. Okay, let's discuss down there. All right, just let me know what you think about this recipe, if you're going to give it a try or not. All right, this cake is so yummy and delicious. So thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video, and please do not forget to stay safe. I love you all. Bye.